Okay, as I was saying in part one, you can use a stapler to fasten this also. One thing that you have to worry about with a stapler is that you put a puncture mark in the material when you staple it. So if you elect to use a stapler, then you can use something like a metallized tape to tape over the puncture marks. That way it'll will stop the air leakage. So anyway, let's go ahead and install this unit. And as I stated earlier, I want my zipper end to be on this side because I want to open it and go into the higher part of the attic ceiling. So you just shove it right into the opening, and you want your product to rest right on the trim that your scuttle panel actually rests on. So get it all fit in here snug. Now, as you can see, it's resting on the trim, so now you can go ahead and use your fasteners. Now what I like to do is, I like to start where the overlap is on the bottom side of it and work all the way around until I get back to the top part of the overlap, and then I fasten those two together. So let's go ahead and do this installation. I typically like to put my fasteners about 8 to 10 inches apart. That gives it a nice tight fit. And I just use these cap nails. Make sure they're all tucked in the corners tight. Want a good tight fit. And then notice once you get back to the overlap side, you just go right through both pieces. So there you have it as far as on the install. Now, I'm not going to do it in this video, but then at that point you take you some polyurethane caulk, whether it's great stuff or some other type of sealant, and you seal this joint right here where this overlap occurred, and then you can either go around this perimeter or you can go inside of the unit and come behind right against the sealant joist, and then put an air seal there. So that's the air sealing part of it. Now what I'd like to do is take this panel and show you how to put this in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here and actually open the unit first. Now, as you can see, it's open. Now what I'll do is now, I'll take my panel, put up in here, and it'll rest right in the little pocket on the top. So then you just pull it back like that, and basically you just hold this panel up and start zipping it from both directions. And then you can even lay your back side already in there, leaving this side open. Complete the closing of it. So as you can see now, it's closed. So then you just drop your panel down, and there you have it. So that's how you install the scuttle cover. And if you need any more additional instructions, I'll have this video on my website. Thank you very much.